All right, so this question is asking you about the number of atoms given this amount of mass. So this time we don't have any of the units written down. We have no guidance whatsoever. So let me start filling those in. So at the end, I want to know the number of atoms. How many atoms? So I'm going to write atoms at the end. And then I start with this information, 36.4 grams. I start with 36.4 grams. Okay, so I start with grams and I need to get to atoms. That's a long way away. So let's start with this first part. I have grams right here. I need to get rid of grams because that is not a unit in my final answer. So because grams are at the top, I need to have grams at the bottom. Okay, so what conversion do I know that can get rid of grams and also give me something helpful? Well, there is molar mass. You guessed it again. Yes, molar mass. Woo, where it's grams per mole. So I need to find the molar mass of magnesium. If you look, magnesium. If you look at the periodic table, the molar mass of magnesium is 24.305 grams per mole. That means there is 24.305 grams in 1 mole. Cool, so now I can cancel out my grams, but now I have another issue. I have moles. So how do I go from moles to atoms? My last conversion. Well, if you remember from yesterday, for every 1 mole, there is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, this one takes a little bit to write, 23rd atoms, or molecules, or whatever it is. So, if I have moles at the top, I need to cancel it out with moles at the bottom because my answer does not have a moles in it. And I know that for every 1 mole, there are this many atoms. Boom. So now I can go and cancel out my moles. So I have effectively canceled out grams, canceled out moles, and I am left with atoms on both sides, and that's what I want. So all I have left to do now is just multiply and divide. Because 34.4 grams right here, or 34.4, and 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd are next to each other, I can multiply those together. 36.4. And I have something at the bottom. And because I have it at the bottom, I have to divide everything by this. So divided by 24.305. And my final answer is going to be 9.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. And that's it. That's how you do that.